Hello and welcome to another update video about DOT. Yeah, interesting developments on the DOT chart. We have seen, as you might know from previous updates, we have seen an initial 5-wave rally into the 8th of July high. That was the Monday high last week. And then a 3-wave pullback into the micro support region. It was defined between $5.86 and $5.24. The price touched a couple of times the 38.2 retracement at $5.86, shallow for a wave 2, but not too shallow to be reliable. As I said, we had a 5-wave move up, so we were watching for potentially further upside. And the pullback is an A, B, C structure in what could be wave 2. Then I noticed and mentioned to you in yesterday's update, I think I didn't make a video yesterday, I think it was just on Discord, communicated on Discord, that there was a possible additional 5-wave move up in a micro wave 1, and then I added a support zone for this wave 2, to which the price reacted. Price reacted to the 50% retracement at $8.16, and now we could be in the third of a third wave, and this is exciting. However, the price needs to confirm that. I am naturally skeptical. The price has so far not been able to really break out above the previous highs. So to confirm that a third wave is unfolding, we need to break above the top of wave 1. And there are 2 wave 1 tops. One here from the 8th of July, the larger degree, at least this is visible on the Binance chart. I know on the Coinbase chart it's not, but I find it relevant because it reached that trend line here. And then from the smaller degree wave 1, which topped on Monday the 15th. So we have a 1-2 setup, and we could now really be in the third of a third wave to the upside. But it takes a break above $6.55 to confirm that, to give us some clarification there to confirm it. And where should the third wave go? So the larger third wave, which is based on the larger 1-2 setup, let me just double check that. Might need to adjust it. The larger third wave should get to $8.50. We take the length of the wave 1. We go to the low of the wave 2 with this. Yep, that fits. Yeah, $8.51. Now, that's the first ideal target. Now, we know that the third of a third wave often reaches the 100% extension at $7.66. So it's definitely a level to watch. Maybe even the $8.17 level. But I would pay attention to $7.66 when we get there. And then we should see another 4-5 to complete this third wave. And then we need another 4-5 pattern for a first solid wave, a 5-wave move that reaches the $9 range. Now let's first see if we can break above that $6.55 level. That's really crucial. Also pay attention to this wedge pattern that we had on the chart. Talked about it before. I mean, the price is sort of, it's not like breakout and we go, right? And the price is fighting with this upper boundary line of that descending wedge pattern. But I find it quite a relevant trend line, and I find it a relevant wedge pattern because it is a possible breakout at the end of a correction. But we haven't broken out yet. And that all goes hand in hand with that $6.55 level. To the downside, $5.95 is upper micro support. Any break below $5.95 will make this additional 1-2 setup less likely. We might then explore if the wave 1 is actually here, the larger degree wave 1, if that topped on Monday the 15th. And in that case then, the lower micro support will become relevant again. It's between 586 and 524. Key levels here are always the 78.6 retracements. So we can say that if 595 breaks, then 524 will be relevant. And it's just important to understand that from a risk management point of view. So it's interesting. I think all the levels should be clear. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.